So good morning, everybody. My name is Agathe. I'm working for AGILEA, a supply chain consulting and training company. Today, I'm going to show you how works our flow simulation game. So it's our digital game for supply chain trainings for beginners and also advanced supply chain manager. And so I'm the wholesaler. I'm the supply chain manager of the wholesaler, and I'm going to show you how it works for 1 week and what are the main results of this simulation. So let's start a new week. As you can see, so let's start it. I'm going to first receive my customer orders. So today my customer is asking me 20 units. And then so I have a backlog. So as you can see here, my back order is 56 units and I just have 24 pieces in inventory. So I'm able to send just 24 units to my customer. So that's so bad. My customer is not going to be happy. Then, so as you know, and our supply chain manager knows, we have to manage this situation. Let's try to see so how to deal with this. As you can see, so I still have 32 units in back order. Then, so this is my dashboard. So I have the view of my customer, and I have the view also of my supplier. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to first receive the orders that I placed to my supplier last week, so 20 units. And then, so the last step is going to be, and the best step of this simulation, how much should I ask and order to my supplier? I know that I have 32 units in back order. So I'm going to place my 32 units plus also my safety. So this is just my case. I'm going to place so 36 units here as order for my supplier. And then so we did 1 week together and we have to see so now and analyze so what's going to happen and what happened last week's. Here you have the view of the what's happened in the supply chain. We can see here that our OTD or OTIF is really bad. So we have less than 50% of OTD in the global supply chain. We have also a huge cost in our supply chain, and deeper we are going the supply chain, most important are the costs. What about the orders? Here you can see we played 16 weeks before this simulation and this presentation. And we can see here, deeper we are going, so more and more in the weeks, more important are the orders. But if I just look at the customer orders, my customer, the final customer, is not asking more than 12 parts. The thing is, when we see the manufacturer has really much more parts asking. So we call this the real bullwhip effect. Let's go to see so how it works with the inventory and the shortages. Here we have typically the view of the bullwhip effect. One small variation impacts the complete supply chain, and more important is the variation in the supply chain. Look at the manufacturer. We are starting to be in shortages here. And then so regarding the distributor, it was really much before. The same for the wholesaler, and our backlog for the wholesaler is less important than the one for the manufacturer. And if we look at the cost here, so our cost is also really much more important, deeper we are going in the supply chain. So thanks to our game and the flow simulation game, you can simulate the bullwhip effect and talk then with your team or your trainee how to manage this bullwhip effect and decrease this bullwhip effect and improve the supply chain performance. We are looking to see you and to play with us for your next training or workshops. Thank you.